Hey, this is Charlie at the Groove. Thought I'd kind of go over a little bit about how to keep your vinyl clean. One thing you can do, which is easy, cheap way to do it, is just get a brush like this. We sell these; they're about 15 bucks, and right before you play a record, you can put them on the platter here and give it a good revolution and a half, maybe two. That'll get the general dust off of it. Less pops, less clicks in your music. It's also easier on your stylus. Gives it a little bit longer lifespan. If you got something a little bit dirtier, Groove Washer is a really great product that we also sell here. Fairly inexpensive. You can get a little spray bottle and a sponge, and I give it a good 3 sprays on there. Got a brush that's kind of terry cloth microfiber, and while it's playing, kind of assist the motor so you're not giving it too much strain, and give it a good wipe through. And what's great about Groove Washer is it cleans it really well and it evaporates really quickly, so it's not wet in there. It doesn't stay, linger, and people say it's bad to play records when they're wet still. I've been someone's told me before that if there's too much liquid there, that will kind of get in the suspension of the cartridge itself. Eventually, over time, corrode the coils in there. So that formula works really well. And then I'll show you another way to clean records that are really dirty. This is kind of an in-between manually cleaning it and having a vacuum cleaning system. The spin clean works really well. If you've got, I'd say, over 50 or 100 records or more, definitely worth investing in this. You can fill this container with cleaning solution and manually spin it, give it a good clean. And if you've got a lot of records, you can bulk clean them and make sure to put them back into your sleeves so they stay clean. Great option, kind of in between just having a Groove Washer and a vacuum. If you got a record that's really dirty, something like this, you can get something like a vacuum system. And this is something that we sell as a project vacuum cleaner. Set it on there, and got a solution that you kind of put on there pretty liberally. There's a cover to protect the label in the center. And it's got a little motor, and it'll spin it around, just brush it in, make sure that liquid gets deep in there, deep into the grooves. I usually turn the motor the other direction, get it good way both ways there, and then a few revolutions in, you can move the vacuum up and turn that on. It's as simple as that. Suck out all the dirt out of there. Works really well. We do this as a service. If you brought your records in, we're happy to do a few for you. But if you have a larger collection, it's worth investing in a cleaning mechanism like this.